continues to expand its fall 2025 basketball lineup with the upcoming release of the Zoom GT Cut 3 Turbo in a bold University Gold and Black colorway, retailing at $210. Known for its performance-driven features, the GT Cut 3 Turbo has gained traction with standout releases, including Black Label exclusives and special PE colorways for emerging athletes. This latest version pays homage to martial arts legend Bruce Lee, echoing the iconic yellow and black look from Game of Death, a nod made famous by the 2010 Kobe 5 Bruce Lee. While not a direct replica, the shoe sports a golden upper and a bold black stripe running from toe to heel, offering a fresh take on a fan-favorite theme. As Nike builds anticipation for this visually striking release, fans can expect the model to drop on Nike.com and at select retailers between July and September 2025, with strong demand likely upon launch.